Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm pleased to present our study entitled Structural Equation Modeling for Exchangeability Analysis in Internet of Things-Based Incubators. This research investigates the complex relationships between environmental and operational factors that influence exchangeability using a structural equation modeling approach. Here, I would like to introduce the authors. First, me, Mufidatul Islamiyah, has been the lecturer in Computer System, Institut Teknologi dan Bisnis Asia Malang, and I'm pursuing my doctoral degree in Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. And then the second author, Aulia Siti Aisyah. She is a professor at the Department of Engineering Physics, Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. And then the third, Bapak Samsul Arifin. He is a lecturer and a researcher at the Department of Engineering Physics, Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. Here I can say that this research examines how environmental condition and incubator management influence egg hatchability using an IoT-based incubation system. Through structural equation modeling or SEM, this study analyzes the direct and indirect effects of temperature, humidity, ventilation, lighting, incubation duration, and egg turning frequency on hatching success. Based on a real-time sensor data from multiple incubation cycles, the results show that temperature and incubation duration are the most influential factors. This study integrates IoT data and SEM to provide a quantitative approach for optimizing smart incubator systems. As the introduction, egg hatchability is determined by interconnected environmental and operational factors such as temperature, humidity, ventilation, and egg turning, all monitored in real time through an IoT-based incubator system. Temperature is maintained between 37 to 39 degrees Celsius to ensure optimal embryo development, while humidity is controlled at 50 to 60% to balance water evaporations inside the egg. The ventilation system automatically activates when the temperature exceeds the set limit and turns off once optimal conditions are restored. Additionally, an automatic egg turning mechanism ensures uniform heat distribution and prevents embryo adhesion to shell membrane, thereby improving hatching success. As the problem statement, conventional statistical methods analyze environmental and operational factors separately, so they cannot fully explain their simultaneous interaction in affecting egg hatchability. Although IoT-based incubators collect real-time data, there is still no integrated model to analyze the causal relationships among these variables. This study addresses that gap by applying structural equation modeling or SEM, which enables simultaneous analysis of direct and indirect effect within one comprehensive framework. By integrating IoT data with SEM, this research provides a structural approach to optimize smart incubator system. And then, as the material and methods or the methodology, I can explain in this slide. It outlines the research methodology from design to SEM analysis. The study used an IoT-based incubator equipped with temperature, humidity, lighting sensors, and an automatic egg turning system. Real-time incubation data were collected and stored in a MySQL database, then filtered, cleaned, and aggregated for accuracy. After pre-processing and calculating hatchability indicators, the data were analyzed using PLS SEM in Smart PLS to evaluate direct and indirect relationships. Overall, this approach integrates IoT technology with structural modeling for comprehensive quantitative analysis of factors affecting egg hatchability. And then the result. This slide presents the main findings from incubation trials and PLS SAM analysis. Temperature remains stable between 36.3 till 38.3 degrees Celsius, showing good thermal control, while humidity varied from 49 to 65% and proved more sensitive. The highest hatchability, around 70 to 80%, occurred at optimal humidity level of 55 to 60%. PLS SAM results show that environmental conditions have a negative effect on hatchability, while incubator management has a positive but modest influence, with both variables explaining 11.2% of the variation. Overall, optimal humidity control and proper management are key factors in improving hatching success. As the discussion, I can explain that the R-square value of 0.112 means the model explains 11.2% of the variation in hatching success, indicating that other factors such as egg quality and genetic condition also influence the results. The hatching success construct shows strong reliability and validity, while environmental condition and incubator management require further indicator refinement. Overall, optimal humidity control and effective incubator management are essential, and the SAM approach offers a comprehensive understanding of variable relationships in an IoT-based incubation system. And as the conclusion, this study successfully developed a structural equation modeling or SAM framework to analyze environmental and operational factors affecting egg hatchability in an IoT-based incubator system. The results show that environmental factors, especially temperature, humidity, and ventilation stability, are the most dominant determinants, while proper incubator management, including automatic egg turning, also support consistent incubation condition. Although the model explains 11.2% of hatchability variation, it provides a systematic work to understand direct and indirect relationship. Overall, integrating IoT technology with SAM offers both methodological and practical contribution to optimizing smart incubator systems. For the last, thanks. This research was funded by the Agency for the Assessment and Application of Technology or BPPT and the Indonesian Endowment Fund for Education or LPDP. That's all and thank you.